Hi, as an accounting lecturer here in AIT, we often get queries from students about what exemptions they're entitled to from Chartered Accountants Ireland. So it really depends on whether you have done the BA in accounting degree or a different degree such as the business Bachelor of Business ab initio, or come up through the higher cert in business and done the 6, 7, 8 level there. It's more straightforward if you've done the BA in accounting because it's an approved core degree by Chartered Accountants Ireland, and if you've achieved the minimum requirements, normally 50% in the subjects, in your subjects, you will get all the Cap 1 exemptions, and I'll show you that. If you've come, and all you have to do then is log in, create an account and send off your exam transcripts, and it should be fairly straightforward. For each, you send your exams transcripts for each year, years 1, 2 and 3, and you should get a reply. If you've come through the Bachelor of Business ab initio or the other business degree, you'll have to send in your exam transcripts for each year, module descriptors or syllabi, and also exam papers. And it's looked on as a case by case basis, so each student will have to apply individually coming through either of those degrees, and you don't get as many exemptions, and it'll depend on if you've done the accounting related electives as you've come up through the years. So to run through it now, log into the Chartered Accountants Ireland webpage, becoming a student, and exemptions guide. And then you have to enter the details in here. So you enter your details, and at Loan AIT has one approved accredited degree program, which is the BA in accounting. And here are the exemption criteria, so you need to see that you've met the minimum criteria. Here they are. So to get the exemptions in the Cap 1 finance subject, you need to get 50% in financial management. In financial accounting exemption, you need to have done corporate reporting, financial accounting 2, financial accounting 1, and they're the minimum marks. So you work through it. And so you'll have to log in, create an account for yourself, send in your exam transcripts, and if you've achieved the minimum marks, it should be fairly straightforward. If you're not come through BA in accounting, you'll be coming through usually the Bachelor of Business ab initio, or have come up from the higher cert in business. Also, those that have transferred in to the BA in accounting from higher cert in business or Bachelor of Business in years 2 or 3 will have to come through this other degree program route, which means you'll have to send your transcripts, your exam transcripts for each year's study, your course module descriptors, which are your syllabi details for each syllabi or module that you've taken, and then exam papers, and the copies of exam papers you'll get from the library website. They do allow you to email the student queries team, and here is their email, studentqueries@charteredaccountants.ie. so if you have any initial queries, you can email them and they'll get back to you. But really you'll have to click on apply and create an account. Fill in your details, create the account, and then depending on whether you came years to the BA in accounting and years 1, 2 and 3 of that, and anyone else that transferred into the BA in accounting in years 2 or 3 or did the Bachelor of Business degree will have to send more details in, and they won't get as many exemptions. They won't get all the Cap 1, and it'll be looked on at a student by student or an individual basis. So thanks for watching. I hope that's of help.